8,
7,
7,
6, 5,
5,
4. Engine ignition, 2, 1, 0.
0.
Release.
And liftoff. As the countdown to Mars continues, the perseverance of humanity launching the next generation of robotic explorers to the Red Planet.
And Atlas TU has gone to closed loop control. Coming up on 30 seconds into flight, the RD-180 is throttling down as expected. Engine response looks good. And Mach 1, Atlas V is now supersonic. And passing 45 seconds into flight, vehicle is now passing through max Q, maximum dynamic pressure. And passing 1 minute into flight, the RD-180 is throttling back up as expected. Engine response looks good. At this time in flight, the SRB chamber pressures remain nominal. The RD-180 pump speed and fuel injector pressures are responding well to demands on the engine. Standing by for SRB burnout shortly. And we have burnout on all 4 SRBs. Burnout pressure signatures look good. Standing by for SRB jettison shortly. And we have a good indication of SRB jettison of all 4 SRBs. And the vehicle has gone to closed loop guidance. Vehicle body rates are responding nominally at this time. And coming up on 2.5 minutes into flight, the RD-180 is throttled down slightly as expected. Engine response continues to look good. At this time, the vehicle is 50 miles in altitude, 85 miles downrange, traveling at 6,000 miles per hour. And the Centaur reaction control system is now pressurizing to flight levels. And just past 3 minutes into flight, the RD-180 is now throttling to maintain a constant 2.5 G acceleration limit for payload fairing jettison. Engine response and vehicle acceleration look good. And we have good indication of payload fairing jettison and Centaur forward load reactor deck jettison. And the RD-180 is throttling back up to attain a 4.6 G acceleration. Engine response continues to look good. And Centaur has begun the boost phase chill down sequence to thermally condition the RL-10 for operation. Standing by for BECO shortly. And we have BECO, booster engine cutoff, standing by for stage separation. And we have good indication of Atlas Centaur separation. And we have MES-1. RL-10 operating parameters look good. Chamber pressures are stable. this will be the first of 2 burns for today's mission. This first burn will be approximately 7 minutes in length. And we have seen the Centaur PU system go to closed-loop control. Engine response remains nominal, still seeing stable and nominal chamber pressures. And we are beginning to see the RCS system begin periodic thermal firings to maintain conditions in the loop. And the loop and bottle temperatures are beginning to converge on nominal temperatures. And initial data review of boost flight indicates slightly above nominal performance of the Atlas V booster. At this time, the vehicle is 140 miles in altitude, 900 miles downrange, traveling at 14,500 miles per hour. And we have successful separation of Mars 2020 with the Perseverance rover.